Let's make super fluffy pancakes. They're easy, delicious, and we can see the bubbles signaling a chemical reaction of baking soda right before our eyes. For this recipe, you'll need some basic kitchen equipment like a mixing bowl, whisk, measuring cups and spoons, as well as a pan and stovetop. Although we also recommend using a digital scale to measure the ingredients, especially the flour. Take a look here to see why. This recipe calls for a cup, which according to the label is 120 grams. However, when we took a cup of flour out, it weighed 162 grams, which is a lot more and will change the texture and consistency of the batter. A scale is a much better way to measure flour with more precision, and you can find a good one for about $10 to $15. If using a measuring cup, make sure the flour is sifted and light and fluffy, not packed. Place the flour, sugar, baking powder, baking soda, and salt in a large bowl and stir to combine. Then add in the milk, vinegar, and egg and whisk until the batter is not lumpy and is smooth. You'll start to see the bubbles happening already. Then heat a sauté pan over medium heat and spray with oil or add butter to prevent the pancakes from sticking. If you want to do a gigantic pancake, you'll use the whole batter in about a 12-inch skillet. Otherwise, you can pour in about half a cup of batter in a circle shape in the center. Let the batter sit until you see a good number of bubbles in the batter and the bottom is set and golden. Then flip and wait another 2 minutes or so. Again, flipping the gigantic pancake is a little bit of a challenge, as you can see here, but just have fun with it. It's still going to be delicious, even if it's not the prettiest thing. To tinker with this, well, of course you can play with flavor and add in classic things like blueberries or chocolate chips. We experimented with the amount of baking soda and noticed a difference in not just the fluffiness, but the taste too. Let us know how you made it your own, and like and subscribe for more videos.